we're utilizing human beings to put the cars together. We've designed the car in 12 pieces so that the vehicle can go together very easily. And not only that, it's designed in a way that it allows us to put people back to work. And the lady says, well, how come you're going to have, how come you don't use robots or something like that to put the cars together? I said, ma'am, because robots and machines don't buy cars. Mims Motors is a for-profit company, but we're for people, and if a person can't afford to buy the car, we can't sell the car. If they don't have a job, they can't buy anything. So we have to put it into a position where individuals have a good paying job, they can provide for themselves, and at that point, what vehicle are they going to buy? We would hope that they would buy ours. And Mims Motors, www.mimsmotorscorp.com. That's MIMSMOTORSCORP.com.